Welcome to Monaco, the jewel of the French Riviera. Join me as we explore this luxurious playground of the rich and famous, where every corner reveals a new story of glamour, history, and breathtaking views. From the iconic Monte Carlo Casino to the serene Prince's Palace. Okay guys, I'm going to Monaco, and I'm taking a train to Ventimiglia. Sit down in here. Okay, I got myself a seat. So I'm gonna go exploring at Monaco and see what they have. There's a lot of things that you can do. Casino Monte Carlo. They have an old town just like Nice. They have a palace, Prince's Palace. They have an Oceanographic Museum. Garden City. It's a garden. They have a nice beach. Grand Prix. Yeah, this is where F1 races happens. They have a cathedral. They have an opera. Beautiful harbor. Shopping probably. So probably lots of rich people go here. And they have a market. Exotic cars and yachts. Probably go there and ask people what they do for a living. You can walk the Grand Prix circuit. I'm not interested with that. They have ease. There is a medieval village. So those are the things that I'm looking forward. I'm not sure if I can finish all of those. It's about almost 2 o'clock now. So probably not all of this. I can probably not visit all of this. So I'll stop at about 5 o'clock. Whatever I finish. See you guys later once I'm at Monaco. Okay guys, just get out of the train. And I'm on my way to Monte Carlo. See what they have there. Okay. Deposit. Deposit. I don't understand what that means. But okay. Toilets. Probably go to the toilet first. I'm expecting to pay €1 again for that toilet. So yeah, I'll go to the toilet, make my way there, where there's no crowd. Okay, we're in a different state here, just like Singapore. And toilets are free. No need to pay, unlike Italy and France. Need to pay for the restrooms. Okay, you guys, I'm at Monaco now, and I met some Filipinos. Look at these things. They have a different flag here. I guess that's the emblem of the Monaco. But I'm gonna go to that casino. Casino's this way. I was kind of wondering why Monaco is a separate state, just like Rome in Italy. It's because of the Grimaldi family. They are of Italian origin, and they took control of this place. They're from Genoa. That's part of Italy, and they seized control. They took control of this place and said they don't want to be part of any government or system, something like that. They are a noble family, so they're rich people, and I think in that's in the 13th century. So I think during those times, if you are rich, powerful, and influential, you get to say what you want. You get to get what you want. You get to do what you want. And that's one of those. They said we don't want to be part of the French system and stuff like that. They were able to protect this place for hundreds of years. So up until this day, this Monaco is a separate state. It's not part of France. So yeah, that's the history behind it. Monaco is all about fancy cars and yachts and rich people. Just look at these cars. Hey you guys, so I'm at that casino Monte Carlo. That's one of the attractions that you can visit here, and you see a lot of nice cars. So yeah, Monaco is about nice cars, yachts, and rich people. That's strange. The map says this is where they do the Grand Prix. Like, I see that this is highly unlikely, but I don't know. The roads are probably bumpy here, but this is where they do it. Whatever. Well, at least I've been here. That's what the map says. Maps in Europe are not 100%. Or maybe I'm just totally confused. Now we're heading to the St. Nicolas Cathedral. Oh, you have to go up. Give me a sec. I'll just sit here for a while and check the map. Whew. Okay, that's tiring. I don't think I would go around and go up to that garden. See that? That's the palace, so I have to go up. Oh yeah. Lots of stairs. I was in these earlier and I had to go up to that tower. Now I'm going up again. Look at that. I'm going up that way. 100 more steps. So here. So you go up, there's an overlooking here, and this is the castle. This is the castle. Made again on top of a hill. Europeans love, especially the Greeks, building castles on top of a mountain or a hill. So yeah, we're here. Palazzo del Principe. Oh boy, we have sunglasses here, for sure. And probably my hat too. Nice. Like imagine building this in a hill. Structure on top of a hill. Oh, changing of guards. That's right now. Okay, that's interesting. I'm gonna go for that. It's changing of guards.
Présenté. Porté. L'arme sur l'épaule. Droite. Reposez. Arme. Porté. Porté. Arme. Champ. Demi. Droite. L'arme sur l'épaule. Droite. En avant. Arme. Pensez. 1. À gauche. Gauche. En avant. 1.
I would love to like that actually.
Okay, guys, there's a cathedral here. I think that's St. Maurice Cathedral, and that's a castle just beside it. It's a cathedral, and that's the castle right there. Okay, attractions here in Monaco are pretty close to each other. You don't really need to transport, but if you're old and you can't walk anymore, there's this train. You just have to figure out how much that is. I don't need that, so I didn't have to look for it. Or even use the bus. I didn't need it because I can walk. And this is the museum. Ocean Museum. Oh, it's too grand for a museum. Looks like a cathedral or something. Prince de Monaco. Yeah, this is an Oceanographic Museum. Not sure what's in there. Not interested to go in either. So, anyways, that's what it is. Look how beautiful the architecture. It's huge. Yeah, I'll probably just take a photo here because it's a beautiful building, beautiful structure. It's so big. Look at that. Okay, you guys, that's my trip at Monaco. Hope you guys like that video, like that tour. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, guys, after checking that it's actually
Don't
says
film,
here-
don't film.
Sir?
Don't. You wait for use the cam, okay?
What do you mean?
It's forbidden.
Yeah, I'm
It's a
gonna
police,
say that
it's a police control. Okay?
What do you mean?
Don't
Like-
don't use the camera. Don't
Why?
use. When I'm here, don't use that, okay?
What?
You-
No,
you-
I have to say it on my vlog
You
because
put-
I'm
you
vlogging.
put- no, after the vlog, you put this.
No, I have to read it. I have to
Put
say
put
no.
this.
You guys, so it's not allowed
Put
to
this.
fly a drone. No, I'm just saying it's not allowed to fly a drone in Monaco. Is that bad?
It's forbidden.
Yeah, it's okay, you guys. So it's forbidden. Although it says online that it's forbidden, I mean it's permitted to fly a drone in Monaco. I just got a police officer here saying it's not allowed to fly a drone in Monaco, right? And I'm being given a fine.
Allez, it's finished. It's finished.
Yeah.
It's a police control. Don't film, okay?
What do you mean?
Don't film. You
What?
You put the phone. Don't use the phone. Don't use the camera.
Why not?
Okay.
Guys, so I'm getting a fine. I have no choice. I flew a drone and it's not allowed here actually. But after reading online, it's kind of strange. You should check the official website. The official website, so you cannot fly a drone here.
Allez, it's good. Cut.
just got myself in trouble with that freaking drone. I should have not flown a drone here. I was so tempted. That's so stupid. So now I got a fine in Monaco. Never want to have any issues in any country. So that's so stupid of me. How did they know that was here? The drone was here. So you guys, €100 fine. That's about 170 Australian dollars. Just for coming here. That's so stupid of me. Man. I should have walked away. The moment I finished recording, I could have left or something. Looks like they're monitoring drones here. So good. It's not even done and... Dude. It's crazy. That's so fast. So fast to like get to the person who flew the drone. I could have left immediately then. That sucks. They probably have a monitoring system. €100 fine for flying a drone. Okay, that's still not bad because some countries still fine you. They'll fine you like $800 for flying a drone. That's so dumb. So yeah, that sucks. It's still not good. I don't want to be involved in any of these things. Okay. So, €100 for flying a drone in Monaco. So, I read the regulations before I flew the drone, and it says it's allowed, but that police is probably corrupt. I could have just been warned or something. But he actually fined me €100. I'll just pay this now. €300. Shut up.